Yesterday we were discussing about the literature review, and some aspects we have covered. If we see the issues associated with the literature review, different factors are there. As yesterday we were discussing about some of the factors, that how you select the literature review, how author is playing a vital role, uh, publisher is playing its own role. Again, the research concept is also playing an important role. But if we see the literature here, that if you see that magazines are there, trade journals are there, and scholarly journals are there. Journals, different journals are available. Every journal has its own identity. Every book has its own identity that can be utilized by the individual in the different manner. Uh, that means that data is available, but we have to identify that how much it is relevant for us, how much it is beneficial for us, how much we can get updated ourselves, the issues associated with that particular methodology, what methodology has been used. Again, if we see here that the author, who is authentic author, and where sometimes that in the magazines, newspapers, that is there is no author name is there. So, which, as I told you earlier, yesterday I told you that you have to consider that aspect in territory aspect. Then how you will be managing, how you will be identifying these issues in your research. Because when we talk about the research article, when we talk about the purpose of the research, where it is defined, where it is only the attraction of the customer, or only that it is the branding of that particular magazine, or only the branding of that particular newspaper. We have to see, we have to identify that what is the purpose of that particular newspaper, magazine, and whether this particular purpose is fulfilled by that particular magazine, journal, and it is reputed or not. How much authentic information this particular journal is giving. If we see the journal associated with American Marketing Association, then it shows that it is associated with the society or association which is established, and American Marketing Association has given so many definitions, identified so many aspects, and if it is coming with a journal, then that journal is reputed or journal is beneficial for us, because the sources that particular journal has cited or not, the magazine has cited or not. We regularly teach the students through the different books, but in those books, textbooks, the references are not available. References of the data that is available, references of the respective figures, if it is adopted from some book, magazine that has been mentioned. So we have to see that particular journal, particular paper, what it is citing, what is the authenticity of this particular journal, magazine. Is it exclusive? How it is beneficial? How it will be beneficial for us? What is the capacity of the readers? That means that how much readers are associated with this. The strength of the readers. If it is more, then that will be beneficial for us. Again, but we have to see what is the objective of that particular paper, article, as well as the journal. Yesterday I discussed about one thing, that whenever the journals are there, journals are clarifying their guidelines. We need to see the guidelines of the journals. In the guidelines, that is clearly mentioned that this particular journal is reviewed or not reviewed. The ethics are, publication ethics are followed or not, that has been mentioned over there. But again, when we see the magazines here, that the magazines which are used for the particular commercial purpose, their respondents are different people, maybe the businessmen, maybe the employees, maybe the person who are associated with this particular area, field, education, games, different people or different news are there. Then if we find out what is the solution in context of our research, because we have to go from wider to the narrower. How we can go for the narrower aspect in that particular area, then it is very much clear that whether it is refereed, reviewed. Again, then if it is not reviewed, then should we use again reviewed article or non-reviewed article, that is cited over there, but again what is the authenticity of that particular paper? We have to see that particular aspect in those areas. Again, if we see that the issues associated with these aspects, where it is the sensational news are there, sensational aspect they are covering over there. If we are talking about the news and journal, magazines, how much popular they are, in which area they are popular over there, we have to search in different context. When we talk about the areas, the news of the general interest, how we are finding, how we are finding these aspects in those areas, because here you find that the references to some of the sources or some of the paper, some of the news are not available. So what is the authenticity of that? Can we use that? But again, if we don't know the inception of that particular paper, article, inception of that particular article, paper, then it may be harmful. Going towards that issues, how we crystallize these papers, magazines, journals, we have to take care of these factors. As we were discussing about the sources, because every source is important. Every source is important, but how much important it is, whether it is moving us, forwarding us towards some destination. What is our destination? How we are moving towards that destination? We have to see. When we talk about the primary literature, when we talk about secondary literature, when we talk about the tertiary literature. The literature, all literatures are important, because every literature is guiding us to reach to the another destination. It is up to us how we are reviewing, how we are going up to that destination. Because that if you are seeing some certain researches on different hospitals in the COVID situation, we find that there were different situations were available. Some the type of patients were of the different type. One patient is scared, one patient is not scared. One patient is that if he is out of the COVID, what is his situation over there, positive or the negative. Again, we have to identify what is our objective, what is the impact of the COVID. what is the impact of the information technology on the individuals? If we are going to do the study on the impact of IT or online teaching on the students, we have to filter out that the news which are associated with those areas. If we see, when we talk about these areas, then the information is available and how that the textbooks are helpful, directories are helpful, going up to the second destination, third destination. रिकॉर्ड कर लिया करो कभी कभी, हमें रिकॉर्ड करते हो, दूसरा भी रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए ना, दोनों पार्टी रिकॉर्ड होनी चाहिए, एक ही पार्टी रिकॉर्ड नहीं होनी चाहिए. So when we see the different aspects, different issues in the literature, whether this literature is fruitful and or fruitless, how much fruitful it is, we have to see. We take these things in the consideration as we find that in the different area we find that the different things are available, different periodicals are available, different values are available, different contexts are available, whether it is associated with the authors, whether it is associated with the publisher, whether it is associated with the authenticity, whether it is associated with the ethics. So many issues are available, but we have to identify that whether these things are properly utilized, used over there. If we talk about that these things over there, either we are talking about the journal, then again the values that journal is using.
पर जूम कर दीजिए सर.
जूम ही है.
फॉन्ट साइज छोटा है इस वजह से वो.
नहीं वो प्रॉब्लम उसकी है, नहीं होगा ये.
नहीं बाकी का भी थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रही होगी नीचे.
नहीं जूम आप कर दीजिए, हमें तो इतना वो इतना ही आता है, वो काफी देर लगे रहे. नहीं इनको भी इतना ही आता है.
देखिए करके
जैसे
नहीं।
विजुअल नहीं है, लेटर विजुअल
नहीं एक्चुअली क्या है कि यहाँ पे लेटर्स में कंपैरेटिवली ज्यादा भी हैं. अब जैसे ये हर स्लाइड इतनी बड़ी है ना, ये हर स्लाइड इतनी बड़ी है, कोई स्लाइड आप ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि जो स्लाइड हम देख रहे हैं.
ब्राइटनेस हटा दीजिए सर, थोड़ा सा सही.
कैसे?
सर आप शेयर कर दीजिएगा वीडियो.
कहाँ शेयर करूँ? मेरे पास कौन सा वो कोई है लिंक है ऐसा?
सर हम लोगों की
बना हुआ है सर सभी का लगभग.
हम लोग का
आपका
ग्रुप
तो
भी
बना
है
हुआ, मेरे
सर.
पास तो कुछ ऐसा है नहीं ना. मैं किसको दूंगा, मतलब मुझे भी तो देना पड़ेगा.
सर
मैं किसी को भी
किसी को भी सर मेल कर दीजिएगा, आपको हम शेयर कर लेंगे.
हम लोगों का व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप है, आप उसमें ऐड हो
आप
जाइए.
किसी
और
को
आप
व्हाट्सएप चलाते हैं.
किसी को भी दे देंगे तो सबको मिल जाएगा.
चलिए ठीक है. अब फिलहाल तो यह कि जितना समझ जाए वो काफी है, बाकी ये तो आपके पास है ही और वीडियो है ही है. और लिटरेचर रिव्यू के लिए सबसे बड़ा सोर्स आपके जो गाइड हैं वो होते ही होते हैं. और गाइड
वो तो अभी चाहिए ना हम लोगों को. हम लोग तो अभी स्टार्टिंग में रीड करेंगे ना. गाइड
स्टार्टिंग में आपको एब्स्ट्रैक्ट बनाना है, आपको सिनॉप्सिस बनानी है.
हाँ,
सिनॉप्सिस बनानी है ना.
प्रपोजल बनाना है सर,
हाँ,
उसमें
हाँ,
भी तो नॉलेज
प्रपोजल बनाना है.
सर प्रपोजल
अच्छा,
बनाना है.
जब हम प्रपोजल बनाते हैं तो उस प्रपोजल के लिए वो जो एस्पेक्ट्स जरूरी होते हैं वी हैव टू सी. क्योंकि मैंने एक बार कल कहा था कि whenever we see any article, any research paper, nowadays one thing is also there that how much attractive your title is. अभी आपने बात की तो आपको ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि जो अपना जो भी आप रिसर्च करने जा रहे हो उसके रिसर्च का जो टाइटल है दैट शुड बी attractive, crystal clear. That means that the person who is seeing that title, whenever we are getting the thesis for review, that the organization is sending us the thesis, the abstract of the thesis, which is showing that if you are competent enough to review that thesis, then you can review. Maybe they are not knowing your specialization. That's why they are sending us. But if we see that abstract कि भाई हमें समझ में आ जाता है कि that we should not that go for yes. No should be also there. In the selection of the topic, you should have the capacity to reject the topics faster mode. Reject. So that the final result will be better. Rejection is ultimately that is filtering out your objective. When we see that the periodicals over there, that what values are available in those periodicals, whether we are talking about the research journal, whether we are talking about the trade journals, whether we are talking about the journals of the commentary and the opinion, newspapers, popular magazines, we find there different aspects or different things are available here. And every magazine, journal has its own authenticity. But we need to identify these things mainly. These things are there that whether it is using the values that I was discussing, that ethics are used over there. Or nowadays on the websites, on the journal website, that is very much clear what ethics you are using over there. And there are certain organizations which are approved for this, and we have to utilize. We have to utilize those sources over there. Then again, when we talk about the authors, whether the scholars are there, the dissertation is there, the thesis is there, everything is important. Dissertation is also important. PG student dissertation. That is again in our system less dissertations are available, but in abroad you will find that the university system, they are uploading their dissertation also. They are uploading their dissertation also. But again, if you are seeing the dissertation also, you have to go for the references. You have to go for the references, whether the references are utilized over there or not. When we see the publisher, who is the publisher of this particular book, magazine, then it is also giving the credibility of that particular magazine, journal. And we have to identify, we have to see these things. So if we see the issues associated with the source, what is our source? How much authentic it is? How much authentic it is? Again, whether it is associated with our objective or not, we have to see, we have to identify different things in those areas, because the things in the research, either it is research project is also one of the source research projects. But in the research project, one thing is there, that you have to contact the investigator. That is also more important. The research projects which are funded by state government, central government, and they are uploading. Earlier they were not uploaded, but nowadays that are uploaded, because the government is using money in that. And that is also authentic source over there. When any author is there for any paper, if any paper is there, how the author is moving from his objective to methodology what methodology he has used or she has used? Is this methodology which is used by that particular individual is correct or not? Because as yesterday we were discussing about that if you are going through the papers, then you are deviating from one area. Multiple papers are available, multiple researches are available, but when you are going through those areas, it is giving you more ideas, more betterment, and it is also upgrading your knowledge. And in-depth study on that particular topic, area topic. When we go for the area, subject, topic, then different things are coming in our mind in those areas. Because if publisher is good, if journal is listed in SSRN होता है, ये होता है SSRN, ISSN, that is associated with the International Standard Serial Number, but SSRN elsewhere website SSRN, and again you need to take the membership of that. Again, if you are having, again that can be registered free of cost. After that, every library, our university library is also having the subscription of that. When you are having the subscription of that means that you can have access on those particular journals, and in elsewhere you find that some of the paid or some of the free, paid and free sources are available, but again one thing is there, that is comparatively more authentic. Over there you have to think, you have to illuminate yourself in those areas. Again, then when we see that the scholarly article, non-scholarly article, the issues associated with the publication, how the primary aspect or primary sources are important, how the secondary sources are important, we have to take these things in our consideration, whether the primary sources are more beneficial for us. Every time the primary source may not be beneficial for us. Primary source is more authentic, more laborious, more time consuming, better. But that depends upon your topic. What is your topic? You have to see. टॉपिक तक पहुंचने के लिए यहाँ लिटरेचर रिव्यू जब आ रहा है, एक बात और है, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द लिटरेचर रिव्यू कहाँ आ रहा है? दो जगह आएगा. पहले तो टाइटल ढूंढ रहे हो, वहां भी आ सकता है, और जो लिटरेचर रिव्यू जब आपने टाइटल ढूंढ लिया है तब आ रहा है. लिटरेचर रिव्यू जब व्हेन यू आर सेलेक्टेड द टाइटल, देन यू आर फिल्टरिंग आउट समथिंग ओवर देयर, फिल्टरिंग आउट कि भाई ये लिटरेचर रिव्यू मैंने अपने सब्जेक्ट का या अपने टॉपिक से रिलेटेड रेलेवेंट I have gone through, I have cited, I am going to cite over there. Again, if we see the issues associated with those areas, you see that there are different type of sources are also available. That articles, proceedings, paper, meeting abstract, letter, review, editorial material, book review, that is a survey by some author over there, in which the usage of these sources, what are the usage of the sources by the different researcher in those respective area, and these are reviewed by the people. Ab isme, when he has used these things, then how the people are using which source is more authentic, and how the people are, what is the usage, record count is there, how many people are using. 76.9. the people who are using over there. Again, that what is the important in those areas we have to see the literature review, because it is associated with our objective, it is associated with our path, how we will be moving. It is comparatively that is making our path easier, making our path easier. Which statistical tool has been used, how the people have used those statistical tools, in which context, because the literature review is creating our framework, and how this framework will be going up to the far betterment. In those areas we have to see the things, the steps in the literature review. When we see the steps in the literature review, we have to see that these literature review, how we are searching the relevant literature. Relevant literature search is one of the. When we see the identifying the relevant literature, it is depending upon what is your topic. Identifying the topic, defining the topic, and we have to see that what is the problem over there, what is the problem in that area. In the present time, if we see the study, that what is the impact of social media on body image on ongoing generation Z. What is the impact of the social media on generation Z in self-image? That is, suppose that is the issue over there. Again, then if we see this particular topic, we find that there are different aspects. There are different aspects available in this particular title. First thing, the social media, which is very much clear. Social media is one of the source. The second aspect here associated with this self-image of the individual. Self-image of the individual. Third aspect, generation Z. So here, when we go for the title and we go for the further studies, we find out the keywords. What are the keywords in this particular topic? In every article you find that one thing is there. When you go for any research paper, you will find the keywords in this abstract. After the abstract, there are keywords are written. These keywords shows that this particular article is more emphasizing on these particular keywords. Every article is having 4 to 5, sometimes 7 to 8, that is depending upon the journal. These keywords are available. So here in this area, if we are going for the study, we have to search the keywords for this. Again, if we go for the social media, in the social media we are having so many options with us. These options are maybe associated with the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. These are the social media. Again, one keyword, options are in front of you. Keyword is there, options are available in front of you. then you will be going for searching of this. The image, self-image. Again, when we go for the self-image is associated with the self-actualization, image building, social recognition, satisfaction level. Then these are that the keywords which are going for the filtering out. Next steps are there. Then comes the generation Z. If we go for the generation Z, whether we are talking about adolescents, teenagers, which are the part of relevant, the part of these. So for one single topic here we find the multiple options we are having. So suppose we are having the 3 keywords. In the 3 keywords which are associated with our title, we are having sub keywords over the more keywords over there, more areas where we can go for the search. We need to see that aspect. Come up with the relevant keywords. You have to search that which are the relevant keywords over there. Whatever is coming in your mind associated with this particular word and relevant to this, then you will be noting it down. That bhaiya, I have to go for these areas for my research. I will be searching material in these particular areas. Either I have to go for the YouTube also, I have to go for that Facebook also, Twitter also, that I have to go for these social media, Instagram also. Then in this area, then you go for searching. In those areas. Again, when you are going for the searching in these areas, then how you will be identifying? Either or and. Then should we go with the relevancy of one keyword to another keyword, 2 keywords, 3 keywords? Then again the wider aspect as you were discussing, multiple areas, identifying those areas, and now you are searching, you have started searching for the journals, magazines, etc. Now you go for the second aspect. Here in this second aspect, the information available in this particular area. Second issue here is associated with that, how you will be searching. First thing, your nearby area, the website is there of the university. In the present time, every university is going online. In library, we are having a reference section. In this reference section, the books, magazines, journals, as well as the periodicals, conference paper, which are available, and these are indexed in the library. And the individual students can have the access to these particular area on the library website. Login, password, and after that you go for the searching. You can go for the searching. Search engine is available, or you have to get the catalog. Earlier we have to search manually, but nowadays that is available online. And individual can go for the better areas in these respective areas. So here, now you have entered in the library, and in the library you find the indexing is there. and indexing is according to the field, subject, according to the subject, area, social science, science, life science, computer, different areas are available. So your search engine for your search depends upon you what you are going to search. Is it a journal? Is it a magazine? Multiple options are coming in front of you. And in those areas you are going to search. You are going to search in those respective areas. In the name of the author, in the name of the keywords, in the keywords nowadays that you are well aware about this fact that through the keywords you can get the more information. Keywords are available, you are putting the keywords over there, and after that you will be getting the multiple data. Again, here I am talking about the university library or university system. If the offline is available, then you are going offline over there and you are going in the reference section. In the reference section, according to the author, according to the publisher, according to that the periodicals, that you will be getting the information over there, which is giving. Because after this, if you are going in the science, then you go for the science area. If you are going for the social science, if you are going for the agriculture, if you are going for the economics, if you are going for the commerce, then sections are available, and in those sections you are searching over there. Online system has that make is easy, comparatively easy for us, better for us, that we can do that work in a shorter span of time. Earlier it was difficult, but again you should never think that I will not be going in the library, I will be searching through the online. Library is the important source you should consider, because authentic information is available, more information is available, and the data which is available in the library, that is again that has been crystallized by the different teachers, researchers, that this is our requirement, according to our requirement, according to our subject, these books are required, these journals are required, that are subscribed over there or not. Here you have to go for that, and then you will be searching, and it will be beneficial for you if you are going for that particular area and you have paid for that. Again, क्योंकि जब आपने अपने फीस दी है, you are part of that. You are part of that, and you should utilize that facility. Then again, that other aspect, if you go for the Google Scholar, I think maximum students are aware about the Google Scholar, and you can get the information of those sites or those areas through the Google Scholar. You can get the information about the articles, authors. Yesterday we were talking about that. Okay, citation. Here you are getting the information about the citation, and the citation are in context of I index or H index. Also you are getting the information of this information, that who has cited this paper. Online system is giving you more things over there, that who has cited, whether this paper has been cited in abroad, in India, wherever it is cited, then again here you are getting more information related to this particular topic. You go for the citation, getting the citation information. After that, suppose that article has been cited by any individual 20 index. H index is 20. That means 20 times it has been cited. After that you are searching who has cited and what was the objective of this particular author. Then you are getting the relevancy of respective areas. That will be beneficial for you. Again, you should also create your Google Scholar ID. Nothing is there. Any person who is having the Gmail, then they can create their Google Scholar ID. This you can go for this. Again, journal. The journal which is available here, the importance of the journal, which type of journal is there? Which type of journal is there? And if we are going for the journal, here, in that particular area, which journal we are going to have? Standard journal. I was talking about the Journal of American Marketing Association, International Sociological Association. Then in those areas you are getting more information about that journal again. Now when you are going for the journal, the same thing again, review those things. What is the status of the publisher? Where the journal is indexed over there. Different type of indexes are available. ISI index and the journal citation is there, impact factor is there. Different citations are available over there. And you have to see that in that particular journal, you have to see what is the acceptance rate in that particular journal. What is the acceptance rate in this particular journal? Acceptance rate says that how much paper are rejected out of 100, that what is the percentage of this particular journal that it is rejecting 75% of the paper. That means review process is comparatively high. In the journal you will come to know, that this particular journal is having the average rejection in this area. What is the impact factor over there? That you see, the journal is here and the journal is, if that it is rejecting over there, what is the citation report of that particular journal, where it is listed over there, where it is listed. As I told, whether the journal is listed in SSR and elsewhere, whether the journal is listed in ABSCO, whether the journal is listed in Clarivate, whether the journal is listed with some other recognized organization on the basis of in abroad what is going on, that they are in that if we are talking about the USA, there are authorities which are recognized the journal in those respective area. In Japan, you find that there are certain authorities which are recognizing your journal. Some of the Indian journals which are not able to be published in Japan, and as well as some of the universities also give the recognition to the journals. हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में है ना, क्या है जो हम लोग सब करते हैं, जो UGC लिस्टेड जर्नल है ना, UGC care list. Again, the different countries are having their own rules, regulations in those specific areas. If I wish to get my journal registered abroad in some of the area, that it is not feasible to get my journal registered over there, because they are having their own guideline and I have to follow their guideline. That means every country has their own guidelines, and if any journal is DOI, क्या होता है DOI? What is DOI? DOI source. Every journal, if it is having the DOI number, a journal which is a paper which is accepted over there and it is having the DOI number, then you can go directly to the DOI number. And that will be beneficial for you, then how you will be getting this information. That will be beneficial for you. ABSCO. So ABSCO host. The ABSCO host in 1991-92, they started this concept that they start giving the information to the respective authors or respective target audience, target customer, target student, target researcher, to give the information in those respective areas that we are having the papers. You can go through the paper, and they are having their own review process through which they are indexing their the journals over there, and they are giving you the abstract and the title and keywords. Again, maximum libraries are having the ABSCO host. Maximum library, they are having the that listing or index over there, ABSCO host, and in that ABSCO host you can get the number of articles, periodicals, conference paper which are available for you. That will be beneficial for you, and you can utilize these sources. That how that particular source you are using over there, because when we see the quality of any journal, quality of some particular area, so here in the areas there are conventions, there are seminars, there are the conventions and seminar conferences. There also you can get more information, more data. Benefit of these conferences, convention is again, but for this purpose you need to register with that organization. That particular conference should have, ये जब तक मर्जी होती जब तक आते रहेंगे क्या, जब तक दुकान खुली है. So here we have to see these things. We have to see these things. क्या बोल रहा था? Conference. Conference convention. Conference conventions. Again, then if the conferences are there, then if the conference is of International Sociological Association, if the conference is of the International Marketing Association, again, these conferences proceedings are also available here in ABSCO as well as in the university catalog also. But here, for the better information, more information, you need to attend the conferences. Again, conferences which are more authentic, organized by reputed organization. Apart from that, you need to go for that where it is listed. Conferences, proceedings are also listed. अब conference में हम चले गए. Now that if I am going to the conference over there, conference में एक बात अच्छी होती है, हमारे यहाँ भीड़ ज़्यादा होती है, और conferences में the people are organizing sessions are there. The different sessions are available. In abroad, if you see the concept of the abroad, then if you find that if there is a conference of International Sociological Association or American Marketing Association, where you find that there are the subscriber, respondent or the people who are associated with this, you find that 3000 लोगों ने पेपर भरा है, 3000 लोगों ने भरा है, 3000 लोगों वहाँ पेपर पब्लिश करेंगे. अब क्वेश्चन यहाँ ये आता है कि 3000 लोग अगर वहाँ पे कॉन्फ्रेंस में पेपर वहाँ भेजेंगे, then you have to see, as I told, image of that particular organization. Image is also important. Image of that particular organization, who is organizing there. Again, after that, you find that there are sessions. There are sessions are available. Then you will be going for the sessions. Then in those sessions, that you will be getting the information about the paper in every session. 2000 people are there. 2000 people are there. These 2000 people are going to one conference, and in this conference their main theme is there, sub theme are there, and again in those sub themes that you will be getting the paper. And again every author is having the time to present a particular topic within 20 minutes. 5 minutes is for the discussion, asking the question. So here the people are more. The people are more. When the people are more, they are going in the conference. Here you are going in the conference. Then you are going through your keywords. वहीं keywords की आपकी बात आ जाएगी कि भैया what are my keywords over there, according to these keywords which particular session is more related to me. This particular session is beneficial for me, I should go for this session. Again, I am talking about 2000 people. Now the session is there. In the session, in every session, maximum up to 5 to 6 papers are there. हर एक सेशन में बस 5 पेपर आपको. अब क्या होता है कि then earlier this information was not available online. Now this information of every international organization or every authentic organization, they are giving the information about the paper. About the paper means abstract will be available in the abstract book is published over there, and abstract book is available with the author. Before joining the conference, before going to the conference, identifying your source of literature review, you have to go for this particular abstract. And after the abstract, going through the abstract keywords, then you will be finding that which session is fruitful for me. Now here, what is the benefit of the conference? Benefit of the conference is that you will be getting the latest information. Listed over there, listed in that particular APSCO or the any organization, listed over there, and it is again peer reviewed over there. You have to see the status of that particular conference. Conferences are available nowadays. हर एक के पास जो भी पीजी का भी स्टूडेंट है या कहीं के, सबके पास बहुत सारे सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएंगे. But for this purpose you have to see that because here you are going to cite your reference. Here when you are citing the reference over there in this area, you need to see that what are the topic, what are the authors. Here first thing that you will be getting the time with the author. You can have the interaction. 5 minutes are available. In those 5 minutes, individual will be getting the information directly. If there is some confusion over there, the individual can ask. Again, in the that better conferences, there are not more respondent. भीड़ नहीं है वहाँ भीड़ नहीं है. वहाँ पे आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा 10, 15, 20 लोग मिलेंगे वहाँ पे. अगर आप when you are joining some conference online also, if a reputed organization is there, you will not find that more rush is there. That only some specific persons are available. Again, you can ask the question according to your requirement, and you can get the direct reply, which will be again filtering out your source. You can have the information about that author. You can have his or her contact number. That author contact number you can have over there, so that if you want some clarification when you are going back to your area, then this clarification can be better. It can be given by that individual, and you can have the discussion with that particular author. जब आप author से discussion करते हैं, idea देते हैं, generate करते हैं, then you will find that these issues are available and how you will be identifying these aspects in those areas. Because when we find that these conferences, sometimes that poster presentation on international conferences, then you find that poster presentation is there. We some of our classmates may have published their paper, and they may have seen this particular paper that it is poster presentation. What is poster presentation? Poster presentation is that aspect. I am sending a paper in a particular conference, but in this conference my paper is relevant over there, but the conference theme is having only that 5 paper limit over there. But these organizers find that this paper is also fruitful, then they are giving the opportunity to that particular author. They are giving the opportunity to that particular author that you can have your poster presentation over there. And in this poster presentation, the methodology is clear, that you can see the methodology. So, again, difference between that presentation and poster presentation. When presenting, I am presenting over there that I am deliberating. Whatever is going in your mind, that is fine. If I will be sharing this slide, then it is okay. If I will not be sharing this aspect or this particular slide, then you will be going on the information or that you can go through the YouTube, etc. Then you will be getting this information. But when we are talking about the poster presentation, in the poster presentation where that the objective is clear, objective has been mentioned, you can have proper time to go for the objectives, go for the methodology, go for the result, go for the recommendation. Here everything is clear. Conference proceedings are published later on. Conference proceedings are published later on, either in the journal or the proceedings, in the form of the journal or in the form of the proceedings. That may be taking time, but again in the international level. But the poster presentation is fruitful for you, that the again author is available. You can see that all the aspect over there according to your requirement. You can ask the question, then extra benefit you are getting. But again, when you are getting the extra benefit in that area, then how you will be managing? How you will be managing these things? First thing is there.
Sir, can I ask poster communication and presentation is a synchronous?
No. Poster communication is better, no?
Because same time we can ask the question and author is available, so we can say this is a synchronous.
Then when we talk about the conference, where poster presentation is there,
Okay.
and what you are talking about?
Sir, we can ask in the time of poster presentation.
You are talking about the poster presentation
Yes.
and other thing.
No, author is available. That means I'm not.
Ach-
Oh.
No. Paper presentation is there. I am having a particular paper. Here this is my paper, right?
Okay.
That in this paper I am having the information. My abstract is available in front of you, and I am having a particular poster. In abroad, one thing is there. A particular board is there. A board is available, and that I will be going with this. That board will be provided by that particular organization, and again there will be a place in that particular area that all the authors who are having the poster presentation, they will be putting their poster over there. And whenever again one thing is there, मैंने आपको सबसे पहले ये कहा कि 2000 लोग हैं, 2000 लोग हैं जो उसको कॉन्फ्रेंस को अटेंड कर रहे हैं, बट 2000 लोगों के सेशन भी 2000 लोगों के सेशन कितने हो गए, उसको 5 से आप भाग कर दोगे, 2000 लोगों का इतना मतलब 400 सेशन है, 400 सेशन भी हैं उनके। ये नहीं है कि उनके सेशन कम है, 400 सेशन भी हैं। वो 400 सेशन को उन्होंने, चाहे कन्वेंशन हॉल हो, चाहे बड़ा एरिया है, तो कन्वेंशन हॉल में आप यू विल फाइंड दैट एक को दूसरे का पता ही नहीं लगता। मतलब बड़े बड़े कन्वेंशन हॉल होते हैं इन आवर दैट आवर दिल्ली, क्या साइंस कांग्रेस होती है जहाँ पे, इंडियन साइंस कांग्रेस, दैट ऑफिस इज हियर एंड वेयर यू फाइंड the multiple that options are available, different rooms are available, that facilities are available over there, recording facilities, starting that assistance is available over there. So here in the poster presentation, when we find that poster presentation, what I wish that everything is available like this. You can see कि भैया आपने क्या लिख रखा है, क्या इसका आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव है, क्या आपका थीम है, और ऑब्जेक्टिव के बाद क्या आपने मेथोडोलॉजी यूज की है। अब मैंने मेथोडोलॉजी यूज की है तो then you will be asking that particular again। जब एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में मैं बात कर रहा था तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में here that you are in the conference proceedings or the proceedings that will be coming later on, but in that before joining the conference I am having the abstract book is available. This abstract book, through this abstract book I will be searching my likable source and I am going in that area, then I will be finding this information that this particular topic is there, and but major problem is there if you are going in the conference that require more money and we are not financed in our India. We find that we are not getting proper financing and this is harmful for us. We don't have power to attend a conference. If I am going to abroad, then I require accommodation over there, to and fro here also, and again timing also. Although nowadays online is available, but again for this, again search is there. You have to go for the search. So here, when we think about these areas, then how you will be identifying fruitful, fruitless. Again on the different areas you find that the different type of sources are available. Different sources are available for your review. So here, what is the source of your information? How you are getting the information? You need to take this in consideration. One example is here that the Purdue University. The Purdue University website, they have developed a website. In this website, what they have done? They have made some criteria. They have made some criteria that you can go for search over there according to the authenticity. That what is the authentic data is available, according to that it will be giving you the information associated with the authenticity. You can search for that particular area. Again, after that they have developed their website according to the accuracy of the information. Accuracy of the information, authenticity भी है क्या? Accuracy is that available over there. Again, after that they have developed some areas that what is the objective of the website where you are going for. That means abstract of that particular website. If you are searching for some area, that you will be getting that again. भाई आप उस वेबसाइट पे जाके अपना टाइम वेस्ट ना करेंगे तो सिंपल सी बात है, आप उस वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे और वो उनके सर्च इंजन में डालेंगे कि हाँ भाई इस वेबसाइट के बारे में ये एक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट है, जिससे हमें पता लगता है कि हमें आगे इस वेबसाइट पे टाइम वेस्ट करना चाहिए या टाइम बचाना चाहिए. The organizations are doing their work in those areas, then how you will be crystallizing the thing, how you are filtering out those things. You have to go for those areas, then how you will be identifying these aspects in that respective areas. Apart from that, they are giving that this website is also giving the information. The area where you are going, which type of access is there, which type of access is there. आप वहां जाते हैं, लॉगिन करते हैं, लॉगिन करने के बाद आपको पता लगता है कि भाई पैसे ही भरने हैं, ये भी भरना है, तो जब आप साइट पे सर्च करेंगे that it is giving you the information that it is paid, unpaid, sources available or not, that it is giving you that type of information also, that you can filter according to your requirement, that this type of information in some areas that has been utilized over there. Again, when we go for this research relevant area, relevant section, how you will be identifying this relevant area, relevant section, how you will be using it. Again, searching efficiently, how you will be searching efficiently over here. Efficiency is also important because when you see for those aspects, how you will be searching, it is time consuming. I discussed with a topic where we find out three aspects. One thing was social media, second thing was image building or body image, and third thing was associated with the generation Z, young generation or adolescent generation Z, the aspects. Now if we are going to search in those areas, do the use Boolean operator. Let me find out this aspect. Here you are identifying that and or not, and or not. Here you are identifying this aspect. The keywords we have selected over there, the concept associated with Facebook and image building, that and that Facebook and image building. Instagram again, that the face that Instagram and the young, the adolescent, generation Z or adolescent, then generation Z or adolescent, four aspects. Then image building, then here that the issue associated with male or female, then you will be crystallizing the things. You will be crystallizing those things in those respective area. Then how you will be finding out? How you will be finding out these areas you have not aspect you are also using, then you will be searching. You will be searching through these aspects where it is going up to some destination, some area which will be fruitful or which will be beneficial for you. Because here you need to shorten, narrower, you make narrower your area that you have to think about this. Again, earlier we have discussed that you need to go through the abstract. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में आपको सब पता लग जाता है कि भाई हम आगे चलना है या नहीं चलना है. अगर उसके अंदर मेथोडोलॉजी नहीं है, अगर उसके अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन पूरी नहीं है कि क्या इसमें स्टेप्स उठाए हैं, क्या इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव है, क्या इसका रिजल्ट है. यू हैव टू सी कि भैया व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ओवर देयर, व्हाट इज द मेथोडोलॉजी ओवर देयर. इन कितने वर्ड्स होते हैं? 200 से 500 वर्ड का वो क्या है, 200 से 500 वर्ड, 300 वर्ड, 150 वर्ड. जो वो इतने एरियाज के अंदर जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट लिखा है उसके अंदर जो मटेरियल डला है, दैट इट इज गिविंग यू द गाइडेंस, गाइडलाइन दैट यू शुड मूव फर्दर और नॉट. कीवर्ड से आपने कीवर्ड मैच कर लिया, कीवर्ड से कीवर्ड मैच कर लिया, फिर आपने एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पढ़ लिया, देन शुड आई गो फर्दर और नॉट. Here you will be moving in those रेस्पेक्ट ऑल्सो। आजकल तो अच्छी बात यह है कि आप जिस भी सोर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, जहां भी मैंने भी अगर रेफरेंस डाल रखा है या आपने भी रेफरेंस डाल रखा है, तो आप कम से कम क्लिक करते ही उस रेफरेंस पे पहुंच जाते हैं। आज की पहले क्या होता था, ये सब चीजें अवेलेबल नहीं थी, बट नाउ इट इज दैट इफ द रेफरेंसेस आर अवेलेबल, देन द रेफरेंसेस हाइपरलिंक इज अवेलेबल, थ्रू द हाइपरलिंक यू कैन गो टू दोस। तो ये आपके लिए आज की डेट में कंपैरेटिवली इजियर एस्पेक्ट है और बेटर एस्पेक्ट है, बट इट रिक्वायर टाइम, कंसंट्रेशन चाहिए, टाइम चाहिए, और मोटिवेशन चाहिए। सबसे पहली बात आपका इंटरेस्ट चाहिए। अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट है तब तो आप सर्च करोगे, नहीं इंटरेस्ट है तो चलो, दैट विल बी डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दोज एरियाज हाउ यू विल बी आइडेंटिफाइंग। जो मैंने आपको पहले कहा था कि भैया उसको नोट करके रखो, उसको नोट करके रखो कि रेफरेंस जो है, साइटेशन जो है, किसने साइटेशन दिए हैं, और जो साइटेशन उन्होंने दिए हैं वो साइटेशन भी आपके रेलेवेंट हो सकते हैं। वो साइटेशन कितने हैं, जब ज्यादा साइटेशन होंगे तब आप उसको आगे, उसके आगे बढ़ेंगे कि हाँ साइटेशन लोगों ने इसके दे रखे हैं, इसका मतलब इस पेपर में दम है, पेपर में दम है। बट पेपर में दम है तो उससे पहले अगर आपने एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पढ़ लिया है, पेपर में दम है, तभी आप आगे उसके आगे बढ़ोगे कि हाँ कि भाई आगे दिस will be fruitful or this may not be fruitful for me. So we have to take these things in our consideration, that how you will be identifying all these issues for our literature. Rest we will discuss tomorrow.